Hello guys. Welcome back again in my channel. This video that I'm about to present today is part 1 of my previous video of iPhone 12 with Damge a14bionic. As you remember, I didn't put the process on how I repair a14bionic in part 2 of this video, because my hard drive is broken. But the good news is, one of my acquaintances told me that he knows someone to retrieve my files even though my drive is totally dead. So I immediately reach out the guy. And here it is. Like what I promised, that I will make a video tutorial on how to repair damaged pads of CPU. Always remember, this video is for your future reference. SCJ Repair Shop is not responsible for any errors or omissions in this video. This requires a proper hand skills and have more experience on how to deal damaged pads of CPU. If experience haven't acquired yet, please leave it to professionals. This is very important part of the process. To manage properly the broken pad, you need to apply UV glue to interrupt the ground area. Here's how to identify the positive area and ground area of the CPU. If positive line is open, make a jumper wire with rounded ends. This procedure applies each of the pads for better result when I rebuild it. After done making a jumper wire with rounded ends, apply UV glue to firm it. And scrape the rounded area of jumper wire. As you can see, this pad is totally broken. So I didn't find the positive area because of being bruised. But don't worry. I'll show you how to manage that pad. You need to look the alternative pads which connected to it. And make a jumper. Check all the pads using multimeter after done repairing. You have to make sure you got a normal reading before leaving each pads. Remember, don't reball and install the CPU if there's a shortage. This process is consumed too much time. You need more patience to have this work a better result. Okay guys. While you're busy watching the process, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for you to get notified in my future videos. Alright guys. My work is almost done. This is the last pad that I need to repair. As you have noticed in the first place, the process of repairing is the same. And it's easy if you practice this procedure. Practice makes perfect. If you want to see the whole process of this video, I will put the link in the comment section. The part 2 of this video is contain the following: how to reball the IC, how to prepare donor board, and last, how to extract CPU safe and secure. Alright guys. Done repairing all the pads. I double check again each of the pads if there's a shortage. And it's all good. But this time, I will end this video. And don't forget to watch the part 2 of this video for full data recovery. Bye bye.